Kalvi group of schools proudly presents Kalvi Talks Season 4.
A pet bird is a wonderful addition to any house, can bring joy. Hey, I am Aadhithra from Intercontinental School. I personally have a pet bird named Neela. She is a yellow ringed parrot and has been a part of my life past 7 months. Neela is not just a pet to me, she is a true friend. After perching on my shoulder or playing with me, she can mimic many words and phrases. She knows how to dance and dance to music. Birds can bring so much love and happiness into your life. Just be prepared to give them the time, attention, and care. Thank you.
Kalvi Intercontinental School.